Hey there, content creators! Are you tired of spending countless hours trying to create the perfect video? Ever wished you could whip up a killer video without any video creation skills? Maybe you felt overwhelmed by the complexity of traditional video editing software. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to make awesome videos using just text prompts. Yes, you heard that right. Just text prompts. That's right, no camera, no crew, and no hassle. Let's dive in and explore this game-changing technology. Imagine this. You type out any topic, and within minutes, you have a publish-ready video. It's like having a professional video editor at your fingertips. It's not magic, it's AI. This revolutionary technology is transforming the way we create content. With Invideo AI, you can create videos that include scripts, visuals, subtitles, voiceovers, and even music. It's an all-in-one solution for all your video creation needs. Just think of the possibilities. Here's how it works. Start by describing your idea. It could be a simple sentence or a detailed paragraph. It could be anything, a tutorial, a product review, or even a motivational speech. The sky's the limit when it comes to the types of videos you can create. Invideo AI takes your text and transforms it into a complete video package. And the best part, it does all the heavy lifting for you. You don't need to lift a finger beyond typing. No more stressing over video editing timelines or technical glitches. You can even create in your preferred language or translate your video into over 50 languages with a simple text command. This feature is perfect for reaching a diverse audience. This means you can reach a global audience effortlessly. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. Imagine the potential for expanding your content's reach. The lifelike voiceovers are designed to keep your viewers engaged. No more robotic voices that turn off your audience. You get smooth, natural-sounding narrations that make your content shine. It's like having a professional voiceover artist at your disposal. And if you want to make it even more personal, you can clone your own voice with AI. This adds a unique touch to your videos. Yep, your videos can sound exactly like you. This feature ensures that your personal brand remains consistent across all your content. This not only saves you hours of recording, but also ensures your videos are consistent and personalized. Imagine the time you'll save. It's like having a virtual version of yourself ready to narrate your content anytime, anywhere. Your virtual assistant is always on standby, ready to take your content creation game to the next level. The future of video creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Hit the link below to get started. Don't miss out on this revolutionary tool. With Invideo AI, the only limit is your imagination. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more exciting content. See you in the next video. Keep creating and keep inspiring.